Good afternoon to our channel English with Akram, and once again we have gathered for the debate. And topic of the debate is plastic is boon or ban. The team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of plastic, and the team sitting on my left will speak against the plastic. So let's start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Safia and today I'm going to speak about the topic. The topic is should plastic be banned or not? So today I will favor this statement that plastic should be banned. First of all, I want to tell you about seafood or marine organism. As people are going Thailand just to eat seafood. And if I tell you about the data, so according to the data, 4.9 million ton plastic is found under the ocean. So see, the seafood which people are going to eat, that can be polluted by plastic as well, and marine organisms are being vanished from the ocean, from the earth, just because of the plastic, because it doesn't decompose in the water, in the soil. Okay. And next thing I want to tell you about why plastic is cheaper. Why? As she also told about that plastic is cheaper, we can use it, and it's not even polluting our environment, it is cleaning our environment. She said this, so I want to say that first of all, clear your misconception, and I'm going to clear it. Your misconception is that plastic is cleaning our environment. 30 to 40% pollution is increasing just because of the plastic. You know, in India, more than 30,000 plus factories are there which are manufacturing plastic. And when we manufacture plastic, at that time it releases toxic gases. And when we recycle it, as she told that we are cleaning our environment by recycling it, by using it. So when we recycle it, so the toxic gases, toxic bacteria, their counting or it becomes double, means it harms our environment rapidly. Okay, so it is not cleaning our environment, even it is destroying us. Plastic can be affordable, can be cheaper, but our life is very costly, it's very expensive. We cannot take plastic for granted for ourselves. Okay, it can harm us, means it is harming us with a lot of diseases like asthma, cancer, breast cancer, and even acne problem, which is very common, which we see that it is not happening. It's just because of the our blood cells. So it's not just because of blood cells. It happens when we have bad air, when we have polluted air.
Okay, let me. Hello everyone. Hello. My name is Bashir and today we are doing debate here on an amazing topic, that is plastic should be banned or not. I believe that plastic should not be banned because I have some reasons behind it. So my first reason is about the government. Our government wants to ban plastic. The main reason is that because of us. Because we throw plastic on the road, plastic bags on the road. Because of that, accidents take place and animals, they eat that plastic and they die on the roads. Because of this thing, our government wants to ban the plastic. But sister, if we don't throw plastic on the road, so at that time we can save our environment. How? First, plastic is recyclable, we know very well, and for recycling plastic, just approximately I think 1 or 2% pollution increase just because of recycled plastic, and through the recycle process we can use plastic again. We will not have to throw that on the road.
Okay, as he is telling that we can recycle plastic, just only 9% plastic is over there which we can recycle. As
90?
just only 9, brother, 9.
Nine.
9. As Zoya said that we cannot use iron, we can't use copper. That's why plastic came in our life. Means we can't use in our country, but we can export these all things. In India was exporting iron till 2023. India was fifth largest exporter of iron globally. So means we can export them, but we can't use them for ourselves. Okay.
Sister, who said
Who
we
said?
cannot use plastic?
She said,
Who?
your teammate.
I am asking who said.
Means
Okay.
where were you when I was
No,
speaking?
sister, listen. She said that we cannot use plastic. Oh, we cannot use copper because of the reason that is poor people cannot afford that.
Oh.
Suppose, let me see what is.
Continue,
I will speak.
continue.
Can you purchase a water bottle of glass? The price of a water bottle which is made up of glass, that is approximately 600 to 800. How much I know. And the water bottle of copper, that is 200 or 300. But a plastic bottle 10 rupees. Anyone can afford it. Yes sir, this is the reality. Anyone can afford it. And after drinking water, sell to the person. What is the
Right,
name?
because-
Yeah, sell to him. You will get money also. And after some days it will recycle, because after when it will, yeah, it is recyclable. So our government will recycle that plastic.
Oh, means our government will recycle that, and
Yes.
he said that people can't afford that. So first of all, tell me why plastic is cheaper. Why?
You
Because of the demand. As demand increases, then the price of thing decreases. Okay, that's why plastic is cheaper. If we demand other metals, so at the time as well, the price of other metals will be lower. Then everyone can afford them. And
Your
if I tell you,
sister, it's not like that.
listen. And now if I tell you about the Warsaw Beach, which is in the Mumbai, in 2016, there was 9.1 million trash of plastic. And
How much?
means why don't you listen carefully?
No, tell again.
It's again and again, sir.
No, tell again, sister.
9.1.
9.1.
A person named Afroz Shah, he cleaned that beach with some people. Okay. And these kind of things our media doesn't show. That's
Okay,
why
sister,
we
I want to ask a simple
why are you
question.
interrupting again and
I want to ask. Just tell me.
Listen,
It is very little question.
listen.
Okay, complete. Then I will ask.
These kind of things our media doesn't show to us, and about these all things we do not know as well. Afroz Shah, I think nobody knows about him because our media is not showing. And now I want to tell you about Ganga and Yamuna river. We all know very well about these, both of them. As our government spends 6,000 plus crore rupees just to clean plastic from the Yamuna river. Okay, and in 5 years, more than 33 crore rupees our government spent on Ganga river just to clean plastic from there. But however, it is polluted. So see the people that how much they are using that. Our government is unable to do that.
Okay. But what's the name? Yeah, Afroz Shah. He cleaned the water and he get 9.1% plastic from there. So, sister, I want to ask, where did he throw that plastic? And okay, after taking this much plastic, what he did? Tell.
So according to you, you want to say that he sold?
No,
you wanted
I'm
to
not,
say. So what do you want to say? You
I'm
tell.
not. Did I say this like this? I'm asking that what he did after taking that.
Brother,
plastic.
first of
Tell.
all, I didn't go to him just to ask from him. Okay,
Sister, you must have proper knowledge. She don't have proper knowledge. She is-
second thing, listen. You must have said to me that we will stop using or we will reduce the use of plastic because
just tell
that
me that
much
where did he
plastic just
throw the
only on a
plastic?
beach. It's not a good thing. It is harming our environment. Okay.
I am asking simple question.
60% plastic is